Got no time for the gym? No problem. Today, I'm sharing the 10 best home workouts for busy people. Quick, effective, and no equipment needed. Let's jump in. Jumping jacks, the ultimate full-body warm-up to get your blood flowing. Push-ups, build strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms. Bodyweight squats, tone your legs and glutes in no time. Plank hold, fire up your core and improve stability. Lunges, great for balance and lower body strength. Mountain climbers, cardio plus abs in one move. Glute bridges, activate your glutes and protect your lower back. Tricep dips, perfect for tightening the arms. High knees, boost endurance and burn calories fast. Burpees, the all-in-one fat-burning powerhouse. Here's the best part. You can do all 10 moves in under 15 minutes. Try 30 seconds of each. Rest for 10 seconds and repeat for 2 to 3 rounds, depending on your time and energy. So whether you're at home, on a lunch break, or traveling, these workouts will keep you fit, strong, and energized. No gym required. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more quick workouts, nutrition hacks, and simple ways to live your healthiest life at Healthy Life Home.